In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and restore a post on Substack. We'll walk through the full process, from unpublishing a live post to bringing it back again when you're ready. This is really useful if you want to temporarily hide a post, make some changes, or simply clean up your public archive without losing your work. First, log into your Substack account. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled Dashboard. Go ahead and click on Dashboard. This is your main control center where you can access your posts, stats, and other publishing tools. Inside your dashboard, look again at the left panel and click on Posts. This will open a list of all your posts. Here, you'll see everything you've published, along with their titles and some basic details. Find the specific post you want to archive. On the right side of that post's row, you'll see a More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Unpublish. When you do this, a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to unpublish the post. This is Substack's way of making sure you don't remove something by accident. If you're sure, click Unpublish. The post will no longer be publicly visible and will be moved into your drafts. Think of this as archiving the post. It's hidden from readers, but still safely stored in your account. Now, let's restore that post. At the top of the post page, you'll see filters you can click on, such as All and Drafts. Click on Drafts. This view shows all your draft posts, including anything you've recently unpublished. Look for the post you just archived. You should notice the word Unpublished inside square brackets in front of its title. That label helps you quickly spot posts that were previously live. On the right side of that post's row, click the More Options button again, and this time choose Edit from the drop-down. The post will open in the editor. Here, you can review and update the content if you want to make changes before it goes live again. When you're finished, look to the top right corner of the editor and click Continue. A pop-up will open with your publishing settings. In this pop-up, choose your preferred settings, such as whether the post is free or paid, who can access it, and when it should go live. Once everything looks good, click Publish at the bottom right. Your post is now restored and republished on Substack.